Dear Lord, our Heavenly Father, we thank you for today as we gather to celebrate this year's Sea Residences Residence Christmas Party. Thank you for keeping us safe and giving us a good health. Thank you for the provision to make this yearly event possible. Today, as we share